This is the part 2 of the chapter number 9 model. Earlier in my first part I told you what exactly the modal verbs, modal auxiliary verbs. Modal auxiliary verbs are the verbs that can be used in with the subject, and it does not change according to the subject, and it is also a helping verb. Now the few words that I told you about the modal verbs we are going to discuss here. The first word is that in your page number 63 it is that the word can, could, be able to. Can, could, and be able to. All these three words can be used for the possibility and ability. Possibility, ability, all these three. And this one, that can and could, can be also used for the capacity. For the capacity, but the be able to word is not used with the capacity. Like the see the example given in your book is that the ability is that he can swim across the river very fast. This is the ability showing. And then Rita can hear in the evening if she is free. This is the possibility. Then be able to is used in all tenses. See this one and this one. Then they both can be used in the present and the past. But this one can be used with all the three forms: past, present and the future also. Next word. Next word given in your book is can, may, could. The word can, may and could. Can, may, could. See, the meaning of the can, may and could is that in a Hindi it is that sakna. मैं ये काम कर सकता हूँ, मैं वहाँ जा सकता हूँ, मैं स्विमिंग कर सकता हूँ, मैं साइकिल चला सकता हूँ, मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ, मैं देख सकता हूँ, like this. So the I can swim, I can read the book, I can complete the chapter now, and I can go there, like this. So here the meaning is the sakna. If the word of the meaning can and the may can be the same, then how can we differentiate in the different situation? How can it be? Listen, the very simple is that the word can be used when we are just it can be when we are talking up with in the formal way. Formal way means that there are two types, na, formal and the informal. So the can we are using in the informal, and the may we are using in a formal way. Suppose very easy one, I am just giving you example. If you are talking up to me, then you are asking, you are using the word may with me because I am your teacher and you have to talk to me with the formal way. But when you are talking the same with your parents, with your mother, to whom you can use the word can. Right? One more thing is that how can we differentiate among the three? Is that very easy? Is that it is the informal, this is the formal, and this can be the very polite. What do you mean by that? Could you very polite? Let's see. Could you bake cake for me, please? Here he is just putting up the politeness. So there it is used when we are very polite, or you can say when we are requesting up to somebody for the something. Then this is the word could. Next word. Next is that asking the permission or the giving the permission, the word may, can and the could. The same way you can use it also as when you are talking, you are asking your permission. Suppose when you are suppose you are asking a piece of cake to your mother, then you are asking mom, can I take a piece of cake? But the same thing, suppose in your school the party is going on and you have to ask it to me, then you should ask, mom, may I take a piece of cake? So this is the difference between the two. And when you are very polite, very kind, then you have to use the word could over there. Next word is that could and was able to. The word could and was able to. These two words also suggest a general ability. The word could is suggests as a general ability in the past or permission, and was able to suggest ability in a particular situation. That we are using when the incident was happening in the past, but it is used when there is a particular situation who's over here, then we are using the was able to. See the example given in your book is that. The second one B is that I could watch the play because I had booked my tickets earlier. It's a general ability. Then she was able to get into the bus because it was not overcrowded. So it is a particular situation mentioned over here. Next example. The word could used to make suggestion. What shall we do? A couple is discussing something important here. A guest is expected for dinner at Mrs. Or Mr. Gupta's home. See the word could. The word could. It can be used in a part of the past also. It can be used in the when we are very polite, and this can be also used when we are giving a suggestion. As nowadays the corona is going on, and I am asking that what you are thinking that till when your school will be open. Then you all having a different opinion about it. Then you are saying that it could be May, it could be January, it could be in the next month, or I am asking any of the suggestion on it. I am asking what you are thinking that till when the corona will not be in the country. Then you can say that it could be like this. It could. So this when you are giving a suggestion, then you are using the word could for the suggestion. Next one is very interesting and it is a very good. The word may, might and could. May, might and the could. The word may suggests possibilities. We have already seen that the word may is just telling of the possibilities. This one is also the may, might also is just telling of the possibilities. वो संभावनाओं को बताता है कि ये ऐसा हो सकता है, ये ऐसा हो सकता है. But might suggest a weaker possibility than may, and could may also use in these sentences. So here, just to clarify, I am just using the word weak, weaker, and the best policy. Weak policy. This is the weaker one, and this is the good one. Good possibilities. That as could is very weak possibility. Then this one is for the weaker possibility, and the may is the only the possibility. See the conversation given over there. A mother had asked the question that from where the kitty is. Kitty is a cat. So what the girl had answered that the answer is that if you have a pet animals in your home, then generally we are just putting a separate place or giving them the separate things to lay down on it. So generally when they are not we are not finding them anywhere, then generally they are in the place from where we are giving. जनरली पेट एनिमल्स को हमें प्रॉपर प्लेस देते हैं रहने के लिए, और वो उनकी हैबिट भी हो जाती है वहाँ पर रहने के लिए. तो इस सिचुएशन में जो बेस्ट पॉसिबिलिटी है वो क्या होगी? देन द बेस्ट पॉसिबिलिटी that the kitty may be in the basket. Second, weaker possibility क्या होगी? If it is not in a basket, then definitely in a garden. So the kitty might be in the garden, and जो बिल्कुल भी हो ही नहीं सकता. Generally we are not allowing the pet animals to lay down in a bed. So what she has given, that kitty could be under the bed, right? So this is what the difference between the three when we are using these words in a sentence. Next is the could and the could have. The word could, and the could have. The word could refers to present, and could have refers to movement in a past. See the examples. That could have is to talk about things which were possible but it didn't happen. One more thing about that is that the movement in a past, and one more thing is that it is used in the negative sentence. Negative means that it is not used, it is not possible in the past. Suppose I was so happy, I could have jumped and danced with the joy. Some movement in a past ना, ये वाला some movement in a past हो गया. Then I am so happy I could jump and dance. This is the present situation when it is going on. Then the could have, we also use the could have to talk about the things which were possible but didn't happen. It is also used in the negative sense in the past. See, she was careless while chopping vegetables. She could have cut her finger. वो अपनी उंगलियों को काट लेती. तो ये क्या हुआ? हमारा negative sense हुआ. वो कब भी हुआ? वो भी past. This is all for the this session, and rest of the words I'll discuss with you in my next video. One more thing is that the exercises given below each and every words over there, try to solve it yourself, then your doubt will be clear. So here till the exercise L, whatever I had explained you is that till the exercise number till the exercise number I, you have to solve it, and then rest of the words I'll discuss with you in my next video. Thank you.